bicycle. Oh no. What happened? It's broken. It's broken. Can you do it? Can you ride it? Kawawa. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. It's broken. Oh. What happened? Oh my God. Oh. Ah, this one is the broken na. Ay, wala na gid, be. Broken na gid yung bicycle. Oh no. Ati, look. Look at guys. Look at vlog. Don't worry. We get your kwanta. We get your back. Maybe it's time for you to let go. That one. Time for you to buy the balance bicycle na. Huh?
The bicycle is done na.
Okay na. Look at guys, his bicycle, guys. Oh, broken. What we gonna do? Let's get the backhoe. Okay, we will get the backhoe, guys.
Babe, I'm heavy na ni.
You're big naman. That's why your bicycle is broken, no?
I can balance it more. I can like that only. Like that.
Okay, so bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye, guys. You don't like? Do you miss it? Do you miss na? Yeah, what?
It's so funny.
Why?
It's funny. It's funny.
So funny? Say bye-bye na, guys.
So funny.
Say bye-bye na, guys. Bye-bye, vlog. Say bye-bye, vlog.
Let's give my bicycle to my other babies nanny and then I'll buy a balance one.
Okay, like
But
that.
I can balance now.
You can balance now. Okay, say bye-bye na, guys, na. Bye-bye, vlog. Guys, paano mag-nail cutter ng toddler? Yan. Unang paa. Hi guys! Welcome back! Hello vlogs! Welcome back to our guys! Please follow our vlog! What's your name?
My name is Boom Sika Boom.
You don't want me to cut your nails? It's dirty. Say good night, guys.
Good night, boot.
Gummy bear. Bang, she shot me one time. Bang, she shot me two times. Bang, bang, bang.
Unicorn.
Gummy bear. Bang, she shot me one time. Bang, she shot me two times. Bang, bang, bang.
Unicorn.
Eh? Pakoy? Akala na pakoy? No. Pakoy. Ah! Pakoy!